All right, Fried Oreos podcast number, I don't even know at this point. Now let's get right into the news that happened this weekend. This weekend, there was the VMAs and the Met Gala, which is very exciting for people that don't really have a life. I think the VMAs and the Met Gala are not that exciting, but that's just me. The only thing I really saw that was exciting about the VMAs was Machine Gun Kelly and Conor McGregor almost got in a fight. Now that was interesting to me. I don't know about y'all, but that was great to me. So from sources say that, MGK's camp says that Conor McGregor was walking around and he asked Machine Gun Kelly for a picture. And Machine Gun Kelly turned him down, and after that, Conor McGregor got aggressive and threw a drink at him. Conor denies that. Conor doesn't go into specifics of what happened, but that's not what the rumor is. What the rumor is that happened is Conor wasn't asking MGK for a picture. No, he was asking Megan Fox for a picture. And what happened was he went up to Megan Fox and said, "Hey, may I have a picture with you? You and my wife have a picture together." Now, MGK didn't really like that idea, so he told Conor that he wasn't allowed to do that. Well, if you don't know who Conor McGregor is, I don't think you know. You can't really tell him what to do and what not to do. It's really his world, and we all live in it, if you may say. But Conor got extremely aggressive and started throwing drinks and whatnot right at McGregor. MGK. MGK just sat behind his bodyguards with his pearls on his face and basically ran away as the security was trying to get Megan away. They didn't really give a shit about Conor. Now, moving on. We're going to hear some new music. Just wanted to say before this new music starts, I have a concert September 22nd at the Thompson House. Please come down if you guys want to enjoy some good music. It will be a rapper showcase. But we're going to listen to some underground music real quick, and we'll be right back with some more news and some different topics for you. So I hope you guys enjoy.
Don't shoot back when it's over. Don't shoot back when it's over. I can't have you when you coming over. We don't have to do this. Don't shoot back when it's over. Don't shoot back when it's over. I can't have you when you coming over. We don't have to do this. I can show you my world. So sick.
All right, all right, all right. We're back. Now, going into some more underground music, we're going to talk about how at ADMZ, I think, on SoundCloud has a project coming out. You should check that out. It's more dubstep house type of music if you're into that. We're going to start talking about the Met Gala now. And the Met Gala, if you guys don't know, is a kind of, where the hyper rich get dressed up in $1,000 outfits, $100,000 outfits probably. And who knows, dance, talk, party, for all I know. I've never been invited to the Met Gala. But something interesting I saw at the Met Gala was AOC. If you guys don't know who AOC is, she's a congresswoman. She's a Democrat congresswoman. Love her. But I do have to say she made a mistake at the Met Gala. She went to the Met Gala in a beautiful dress with red words saying, "Tax the rich." Now, what I have a problem with that is I love the idea of taxing the rich. The middle class and lower class be taxed way more than the upper class. What my problem is she's a congresswoman and she has never once said anything like that to Congress, not that I know of. I may be wrong. I just don't follow as much as maybe some of you guys, but never heard her putting forth any bills like that. And she's wearing a tax the rich dress at the most high class party that literally costs $31,000 for one ticket, and she's saying tax the rich. I don't know about you people, but that is some freaking comedy to me. That is hilarious. I don't what is I don't know. Am I crazy? Am I the only one that's crazy and thinks that people shouldn't do stuff like that? That's hypocrisy. Tax the rich, but you're spending that much money on a ticket. Why don't you spend that money or actually put some things in place for us? You're the one that we put in office to put these things in place, but I have yet to see anything be put in place. I don't know. If anyone has any more info on AOC, why don't you put that in the comment section below? I would love to have a discussion. I just don't know about AOC. I don't know her, I know her politics. Obviously, she's a Democrat and whatnot, but I just don't know her personally. Everything I ever see of her, I like. Besides this, I just didn't really like this. Anyway, let's get on moving to more underground music from Cincinnati. This is another song. I hope you guys enjoy it. We're going to be coming back for another little thing after this. Stay sexy. Stay safe. Guys, thanks for listening in tonight. It was really, I always love our time together. Just kidding. Anyway, guys, hope you guys check that out. Check out my SoundCloud, Kid Swisher. Check out Adam's SoundCloud and Tony's at Tony Tone and at ADMZ. I don't know how to say Adam's. I'm sorry, guys. I'll try to put it in the description below for you guys. But check out their SoundClouds. We're trying to get Adam to be performing more and stuff like that. So check his out. Check his music out. He's a great performer. Love his stuff. Got my show coming up here in the next couple weeks. So please check that out. Anyway, I hope you guys are staying safe. I hope you guys are having a lovely time. And yeah, love you guys. We'll be back.